What if your AI strategy isn't stuck in technology, but in structure? Hello, and a big Grüezi from Fusisburg in Switzerland. I'm Tom from AllyAllez. And in the next 3 minutes, I want to challenge how you think about AI through the lens of John Boyd, the creator of the OODA Loop. Observe, orient, decide, act. Let's dive in. Science can be viewed as a self-correcting process of observation, hypothesis, and test. Engineering as a self-correcting process of observation, design, and test. Technology as the wherewithal produced by the practice of science and engineering. So what is organization? Organization is a self-renewing, self-directing system that leverages this wherewithal to shape and be shaped by a dynamic, evolving reality. This simple sounding sentence hides a profound truth. Where science refines truth and engineering applies design, organization navigates consequence. Where science tests hypotheses and engineering tests models, organization tests meaning. Where technology accelerates possibility, organization determines purpose. And when uncertainty outpaces planning, the core competency of any organization is no longer controlled by Satan, but an ultimate orientation. In Boyd's terms, this is the real arena of survival. Not superior tools, not deeper knowledge, but the ability to observe, orient, decide, and act in faster, clearer cycles than your environment or competitor. The OODA Loop isn't a tactical trick. It's the logic of vitality. But here's the problem. Most organizations today, especially those juggling regulation and innovation, don't loop. They lurch. Instead of orienting, they follow static charts. Instead of acting, they meet. Instead of adapting, they accumulate debt, organizational debt. Greeting from Steve Blank. Like technical debt in software, organizational debt is the sediment of unexamined decisions, legacy roles, fragmented service flows, tool overload disguised as progress. The result, sluggish loops, brittle structures, AI pilots that shine in demo mode, but stall in real life. This is where refactoring comes in, not as cosmetic redesign, but as strategic hygiene. Refactoring is orientation work. It is destruction and creation. Greetings from John Boyd. It is the snowmobile of the service age. Just as software refactoring improves internal logic without changing the interface, organizational refactoring clarifies structure and flow without halting the mission. It's not restructuring. It's structural sense making. It clarifies who does what. That's that's role logic. It aligns how value flows. That's service architecture. It renews why we act. That's purpose and ethics. In Boyd's language, it sharpens orientation by removing noise. It accelerates decisions by reducing ambiguity. It enables action through distributed responsibility. And above all, it encodes learning into structure, not into PowerPoint. For AI leaders, here's the hard truth. No Copilot, no GPT, no LLM pipeline will rescue a structurally incoherent organization. Tools speed up loops, but only if loops exist. That's why AllyAllez says, don't start with the tech roadmap, start with the service map, don't buy more tools. Refactor your system, make your organization loopable, because your edge isn't how smart your model is, it's how fast, coherent, and ethically your organization can sense, interpret, respond, and learn. Science builds truth. Engineering builds capability. Technology builds tools, but only organization builds adaptation. And adaptation, as Boyd taught us, is the essence of winning. No AI without service architecture. This was Tom from AllyAllez. Wondering what AllyAllez means? Ally, because AI adoption is not a solo mission. Ally, because we move forward with clarity, with speed. Want to make your organization loopable again? Let's talk.